Shamal.
Yes. Okay, we started with the lesson Raksha Bandhan yesterday. Okay, I will give you the summary of the lesson. I want you all to pay attention. Do not interrupt in between. Okay, if you all are going to talk, then it is going to be really noisy. Okay, so please do not talk. Okay, unless and until I ask you all to unmute yourself and talk, please do not talk. Okay, now yesterday we read the lesson Raksha Bandhan. Okay, once the textbooks come to the school, we will let you know when you have to go and collect the books. Okay, children, as of now, the government books have still not come. Okay, that is the reason why I shared you those 2 pages of this lesson for you all to read and practice. Okay, now here Raksha Bandhan, we learned that this is a festival which is mainly celebrated where? In the northern part of India or in North India. Okay, it is celebrated in North India. Okay, it first came into, first we see this kind of an affection where in the epic Mahabharat. Okay, where do we see? Yes.
Which page number, ma'am?
Yadu Vishnu, I told you, you still have not received your textbooks. Okay, yesterday I had sent you the picture of both the pages, right? I am referring only to those 2 pages only. Okay, you do not have your textbook, so please do not take anything. Just listen, just pay attention in the class. Okay, just fold your hands and listen to what I'm telling you. Okay, thank you, ma. Okay, now here we see this kind of an affection in the epic Mahabharat between 2 people. Who are they? It is Lord Krishna and Draupadi.
Sudama. Subhadra.
Sorry? Krishna and Draupadi. Not Subhadra, it is Draupadi. Okay, between these 2 people, you see this. Okay, what happened once when Krishna's wrist, okay, wrist means the place where you tie your watch. Okay, in this place, when he got hurt and it started bleeding, what did Draupadi do? She tore off her silk sari, right? She tore her silk sari and then she tied the wound, okay, to stop it from bleeding. Okay, so when Krishna, when he sees her action, when he sees how Draupadi helped him, how he felt very happy, he felt very emotional, right? So what did he do? He promised to take care of her and to protect her because he took her to be his sister from that moment. Okay, and when is Raksha Bandhan celebrated? It is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Shravana. Okay, it is celebrated in the full moon day, on the full moon day in the month of Shravana. Okay, now related to this lesson, we also read okay, we also read two girls, okay, who went to the market. Okay, 2 of them, 2 friends, they meet in the market while when one girl is buying, is in the market to buy the Rakis, the other girl, she meets her there. Okay, and she asks, so what are you doing? Before that, who are those 2 girls? Suma and Vani. Okay, so
Vani.
yes,
Suma and Vani.
Yes, Suma and
Vani.
Yes, I got the name. Thank you.
Suma and Vani.
Okay, please do not unmute. Okay, so the 2 girls are Suma and Vani. They go to the market, they meet each other on the streets of the market. Okay, so Vani asks her, hi Suma, where are you going? Okay, so what does Suma say? She says that she's going to buy Rakis. Okay, so Vani does not know what is a Raki. So what she asks Suma, what do you mean by Raki? What is Raki? That time Suma, she gives the explanation as to what is Raki. So what does she say? She says that it is a symbol of love and affection. It shows, okay, it strengthens the bond between who and who? Between the brother and sisters. Okay, and this festival is not celebrated only between a brother and sister, but a sister can also tie the Rakhi to her friends or a brother's friends or anyone. Okay, and the Rakhi, it is made up of a thread. Okay, and it is colorful. It is made up of colorful thread. Okay, so in which hand do they tie? In which hand does the sister ties the Rakhi? She ties it on the right hand wrist of the brother. Okay, Rakis are tied on the right hand wrist of the brother. Okay, so she asks, okay, so Vani asks, what do you do with the Rakhi? So what does she say? She says that she's going to tie it on her brother's wrist. Okay, and then what does Vani ask? She says, why do you do that? Okay, why do you go and tie the Rakhi on your brother's hand? That time we'll see what did Suma say. She says, tying of Rakhi is known as Raksha Bandhan. Okay, it is believed that the person who is presented, which means the brother, okay, who is presented with the Rakhi, what does he do? He promises to take care, to protect his sister. Okay, he promises to take care of his sister. So this way, once they tie the Rakhi on the brother's hand, that is when the affection between the brothers and sisters is established. Okay, then what does Vani do? She says, you tell me, give me more details of this festival. Even I also want to go home and celebrate it with my brother, right? So what does Sima say? She says, first what they have to do, they have to take a plate. In the plate you have to keep the Rakhi. Okay, keep the Rakhi in the plate. Then she says she also keeps some sweets, and then you have a kumkum, where they keep the kumkum on the brother's forehead, and then they also keep a lamp. Okay, that is called as Aarti. That Aarti is nothing but a lamp on the plate. Okay, so how do they celebrate? First, they make the brother stand. They take the Aarti. They take the Aarti for the brother. Take the kumkum, keep it on their forehead. Okay, and then they feed the brother with a sweet, and then they tie the Rakhi. So once the brother gets a Rakhi tied on his hand, what does he do? He just sits quietly? No, what does he do? He gives some sort of gift to his sister. Okay, along with the gift, he also promises that he will take care of her. Okay, he says that I will protect you. I will not let any harm come near you. Okay, this is the gist of the lesson. This is a summary of the lesson. Everyone understood the lesson yesterday when we read, right? Okay, just show a thumbs up. Yes, very good. Okay, now today we will start writing the notes. Okay, yes, very good, Shamalin. Even Chirant also understood. Very good. Did Harshavardhan understand? Yes, very good. Okay, now I want you all to take 100 pages notebook. Okay, I'll give you a minute. Quickly take 100 pages notebook, your pencil and eraser. Okay, 100. Yes, one new book. Okay, please do not use any other book. This book is only for your English classwork. Yes, very good, very good.
Ma'am, single line book, ma'am.
Single line book, single line book. Okay, take a single line book. New book. Okay, this will be your English classwork. Okay, everyone is ready. If you are ready, just show a thumbs up. Yes, very good. Ali Bibina's got, Krutania's got, Shamalin has got. Okay. Yes, Varun Matthew also has it. Kirtana, Leo Prabhu, Dakshaya, Mithun, Joshua. Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Now take a new page. Take the first new page on your book. Okay, take the first new page on your book. And then write today's date in the margin. You know where to write the date, right? Below the red line. Please do not write anything above the red line. You have to write it below the red line. Okay, write the date below the red line.
Line 21.
Okay, write the date. Write the date 13-7-21. Okay, write today's date 13-7-21. You have to write this below the red line. Please do not write it on top. Okay, first line below the red line, write the date 13 dash.
Ma'am, in class, ma'am.
In 100. Take a new 100 pages notebook. Okay, this is your English classwork. So every time I give you notes, you have to write only in this book. Okay, do not mix it up. Do not use this book for any other subject. Okay, this book is your English classwork. Take a new 100 pages book and take the first page and write down today's date, 13-7-21.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
yes, 1 minute. Okay, kindly do not unmute yourself. If you're going to unmute, there'll be a lot of noise. Okay, I hope everyone are able to hear now. Okay, now in the first line, okay, first line, write down capital L, write down capital L, -1, lesson number 1, capital L -1, lesson number 1, put 2 dots like this. Okay, then take down the lesson name, capital R A K S H A, Raksha, R A K S H A, Raksha. Leave a finger space, write BAN, DHAN, Bandhan, Raksha Bandhan. Amar, are you writing? Right, I don't want to see you playing, right? Okay, Raksha Bandhan, first line, write down the lesson name, Raksha Bandhan. Okay, after you write the name of the lesson, leave 2 lines. Okay, leave 2 lines and write Roman number 1 in the margin. Okay, leave 2 lines and write Roman number 1 in the margin. Okay, now this side of the margin, write capital N, EW, new, capital NEW, new. Leave a finger space, write WORDS, words, new words. Okay, new words are nothing but your meanings. Okay, new words. Okay, after you finish writing all of you have written new words. If you finish, just show a thumbs up. Do not unmute yourself. Yes, very good, Mithun. Okay, now after you have written the heading, new words, leave a line, write 1 in the margin. Leave a line, write 1 in the margin. Jivika, have you written, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this side of the margin, write AFF, ECT, ION, affection. AFF, ECT, ION, affection. Okay, leave 1 finger space, put a small dash, leave a finger space, put a small dash, then again leave a finger space, take down the meaning, LIKING, 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 liking. Leave a finger space, put a forward slash like this. It means or, okay? Liking, put a forward slash. Again, leave a finger space, write L-O-V-E, love. L-O-V-E, love. Okay? Affection means liking or love. Okay? All of you have written the first word? Yes. Okay, now
Yes.
second one. Okay, now leave a line, write 2 in the margin. Leave a line, write 2 in the margin. Okay, now this side write T-I-E, tie. T-I-E, tie. This is not your school tie, it means tying around something. Okay, tie. Then leave one finger space.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pritanya?
how plain?
No, I didn't get you, ma. What, ma?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, after you write tie, leave a finger space, put a small dash, then again leave one finger space, write T-O, two, T-O, two, leave one finger space, write H-O-L-D, hold, H-O-L-D, hold, leave one finger space, okay, write T-W-O, two, T-W-O, two, leave one finger space, write O-R, or, O-R, or, leave one finger space, write M-O-R-E, more, M-O-R-E, more. If you do not have space, you can come to the next line. Okay, 2 or more. Leave a finger space. Write T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Leave a finger space. Write T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Together. Leave a finger space. Write U-S-I-N-G. Using. U-S-I-N-G. Using. Leave a finger space. Write S-T-R-I-N-G-S. Strings. S-T-R-I-N-G-S. Strings. Okay. So what do you mean by tie? Tie means to hold 2 or more things together using strings. Okay. It is like if you want to put all these 3 together, what you do? You use a thread to tie it around, right? So that it holds together. That is called as tie. Okay. Now leave a line. Write 3 in the margin. Leave a line. Write 3 in the margin. Okay. Write down C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E. Celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E. Celebrate. Leave a finger space. Put a small dash. Leave a finger space. Put a small dash. Then again leave a finger space.
What is celebrate spelling, ma'am?
Celebrate. Celebrate. Got it, Kritanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So after you leave a finger space after the dash, write down TO, two. TO, two. Leave a finger space, right? SHOW, show. SHOW, show. Leave a finger space, write THAT, that. THAT, that. Leave a finger space, write a. Leave a finger space, write DAY, day. DAY, day. Leave one finger space, write IS, is. Is. Leave a finger space, write IMPORTANT, important. IMPORTANT, important. Leave a leave a finger space. Okay, leave a finger space, write BY, by. By. Leave a finger space, write DOING, doing. DOING, doing. Leave a finger space, write SOMETHING, something. Doing something, SOMETHING, something. Leave one finger space, write SPECIAL, special. Put a full stop. Okay, meaning of celebrate is to show that a day is important
Celebrate
by doing
spelling, ma'am.
something special. Yes, Kritanya?
Special spelling, ma'am.
SPECIAL. Okay, SPE. Yes, very good. Okay, hope all of you have written till here. I will be sending you the rest of the notes in the group. Okay, I will also be taking attendance for all the students at the end of the class. Okay, I want everyone, the ones who are logged in the beginning should be there till the end of the class. Okay, so every day I will be taking attendance. Okay. You will answer only when your name is called, and if I've missed out anyone, please let me know. Ali Bibina is here. Okay, second, Alina Nawaz.
Yes, ma'am.
Annie Andrea. Ashwita, Dakshya is here. Elita is there. Harini is not Harini is not there. Janmita is there. Jivika is there. Kirtana is there. Kritanya is there. Shamalin is there. Shirley Christina is there. Okay. Aaron Joseph. Amar is there.
Next.
Chiran.
Yes, ma'am.
Digant. Jeevan De Silva. Jeevan P and Joshua P is there. Kevin Jonathan. Leo Prabhu. Mithun Raj.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, Prabhu. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Paul Christo. Rakshit. Roshan. Samuel. Steve Chris. Varun. Yadu Vishnu. Okay, I see some of you are just logging off. Hereafter, at the end of the class, I'll be taking the attendance. Okay. And these notes, whatever I'm sending you, along with the ones that you have written in the class, okay, you have to send it to my personal number. Please do not send it in the second standard group. Is that clear? Send it only to my number. Okay. Do not send it in the group. I will be sending you the notes, children. Okay, I'll be sending you two mails. You get your Zoom link in the class group, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, that is my personal number. You have to send it to that number only. Okay, do not send it in the group. You can send it to that particular number. Okay, from the number which you get the Zoom link, only to that number you have to send. Okay, along with these three meanings, I will be sending you the rest of the meanings and fill in the blanks. Okay, these two mails you have to write and send it to me. Okay, children, you all understood the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so if you are done till here, you all can. Yes, we will finish with today's class. Okay, thank you, children.
Bye and thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.